Neurogenesis. A new theory suggests a completely different pathway by which both exercise and SSRIs might impact depression symptoms. It may be that the key to reducing depression is to make more neurons. In the 1980s and 1990s, several teams of researchers found evidence for adult neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons. The original work was done with songbirds, which typically learn new songs every spring. As the birds undergo the seasonal learning process, their brains substantially change size to support this new learning. The new cells are created, recruited into learning circuits, and then used like older cells. In humans, it seems that new neurons are produced in at least two parts of the human brain, where rapid learning takes place. The first area is called the striatum, a subcortical part of the brain that is central to implementing our responses to positive and negative reinforcements. This is the part of the brain where continual learning and restructuring takes place. The other region where rapid neurogenesis seems to take place in humans is the hippocampus, the part of the brain critical to many significant cognitive functions. Our mental map of the surrounding environment seems to be implemented here, including our sense of where we are on that mental map. Our ability to form new long-term memories is implemented in the hippocampus as well. In addition, the hippocampus is involved in many aspects of information processing. Neurogenesis is much rarer in people who suffer from depression symptoms. Several studies have found that people who suffer from major depression for several months actually have measurably smaller hippocampus regions.